Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Christy, and this time I'll be sharing with you another common kitchen remodeling mistake: making changes during construction. Imagine this. You've decided on your kitchen design. All your materials have been chosen, ordered, received, and installed. You're right in the middle of your kitchen remodeling project, and you decide to make drastic adjustments while the kitchen is being built. Once your kitchen remodeling process is underway, making changes at the 11th hour can cost you more than just money. Your project coming to a screeching halt, and labor and/or material delays can hold up your project. I'd like to share with you how you can avoid this mistake. Market research is important. Do not order before doing a thorough market research. Shop around for the best prices on labor and materials. Do your homework and stick with the original plan. Don't go over budget or go for something that's not included in the plan. Have your contractor on board. Discuss everything with your contractor from the start. Your contractor should know your idea, and both of you should be completely on board with it. Keeping up with the Joneses? Yikes! Don't try to outdo your neighbors. Do not buy or do something extra just because you want it to be better than your neighbor's kitchen. Stay with your inner voice and do what was planned. A word of advice: if you make abrupt changes during construction, you might end up with stress, anxiety, and lost time. You'll be spending more time on buying and ordering new materials. You'll be waiting on labor to make the necessary adjustments on your project. And the cost of making these changes will literally skyrocket your kitchen remodeling budget. So please, stay away from this common kitchen remodeling nightmare. Like any homeowner preparing to remodel, you want the end result to be a stunning kitchen you will love for years to come. If you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure that you guys are subscribed to our channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos in this series. Thanks, and see you soon.